Let me ask you one brutal question. What's the point of collecting resumes if you still end up hiring the wrong person? In 2025, if you're still spending weeks interviewing candidates, juggling schedules, and hoping you made the right choice, here's the harsh truth: you're not just slow, you're losing the best talent to faster, smarter competitors. You're watching other businesses fill positions in days with perfect fits while you're buried under a pile of maybes. You don't need more resumes. You need results. The kind that saves you time, money, and headaches while giving you the right hire the first time. But here's the major problem. Most businesses are stuck in the old ways, like scheduling endless back and forth interviews, asking the same questions again and again, relying on gut feeling instead of real data, paying agencies thousands for what they could do themselves. The fact is, you're bleeding time, money, and worse, the opportunity to scale. Now just imagine. What if you could run fully automated, bias-free video interviews or skill tests? Collect detailed reports on each candidate instantly. And even offer this as a paid service to other businesses without hiring a single recruiter? All this and much more without spending weeks scheduling interviews, manually reviewing hours of candidate footage, learning complicated HR software, paying ongoing platform fees, worrying about bias or inconsistency. If that got your interest, then I've got some great news today. Talvix AI, world's first and only AI interview tool, lets anyone launch their own hiring platform powered by human-like AI avatars in just minutes. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step number 1: log in and launch. Step number 2: create and customize. Step number 3: share and scale. Check out some of the game-changing features inside Talvix AI. World's first and only AI app helps anyone create AI-led video interviews and tests using 100% human-like avatar. Create multiple income streams. No product to create, no tech setup needed. Just log in, brand your agency dashboard, and launch video interviews or tests for HRs, recruiters, or training institutes under your own label. Easy client and project management. With Talvix AI's built-in business management system, you can run multiple clients under one roof. Assign tests, track reports, and maintain client branding separately so every client feels like you're number one. Zero human work, AI does everything so you close the deal. Use lifelike AI avatars to conduct interviews or ask test questions for you. No need to appear on camera, hire staff, or build anything from scratch. It's automation at its smartest. Launch branded video interviews with a click, no camera, no team needed. Choose a pre-built avatar or upload your own image to personalize the experience. The avatar asks questions, the candidate responds, Talvix AI handles the rest with smooth video transitions. Instant AI-generated evaluations and reports. Talvix AI analyzes responses based on clarity, confidence, tone, and keywords and delivers beautiful branded reports with scores in communication, technical know-how, and overall fit. Plug and play shareable interview/test links with your branding. Send a custom, secure link to candidates in seconds, add your logo, set password access, even schedule future activations. Make it feel like your own SaaS without lifting a finger. Maximum savings with minimum investment. By automating tasks and reducing the time spent on manual processes, AI interviews can significantly lower recruitment costs. No payment gateway setup needed, you control the sales. You price your services, collect payments however you like, and use Talvix AI purely for fulfillment. This means 100% profit, total control, and zero tech overwhelm. Zero coding. Zero hosting. 100% done for you. Everything's fully hosted for you. From your branded pages to video storage and reports, Talvix AI gives you a ready-made infrastructure to look premium from day one. Built-in analytics dashboard for agency growth. Know what's working across businesses, interviews, and tests. View candidate scores, report submissions, and export data in one click, turn data into decisions. Serve the booming agency and recruitment market. Every serious business today needs faster hiring or training processes. You become their go-to solution without needing to be an expert yourself. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard for side hustlers and beginners. Zero risks, get ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Limited-time commercial license included to create and sell countless interviews/tests to your clients and keep all the profs yourself. Nothing to download, install or customize, get started in seconds. But hurry! Don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. So, go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry! Once this special time period is over, Talvix AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So, stop thinking and grab Talvix AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.